Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got the Delicate Wishes stamp set. This is so pretty, isn't this gorgeous? And I want to make a card with you. So I've got two blues and a sort of a grey blue. So I've got Balmy Blue and Blueberry Bushel and then Cloud Cover. But you could use maybe a grey, you could use grey granite or possibly smoky slate. And I'm going to make a card. So I'm just going to make a card base at first. So I'm going to get my base. So I've got some Cloud Cover cardstock. Make your base in the size that you want. I'm giving an inspirational, idea-y type thing. I'm not telling you the measurements that you should or shouldn't use. So you make your base whatever size you want. And I am going to I'm going to have a 1/2 centimetre border. And apparently I'm getting a text message. So I want a 1/2 centimetre border around that. So I've got just a little, you can see it down at the bottom, a little hair of a whisper. And I'm going to get some white cardstock. And that is also going to be a 1/2 centimetre border. And that's going to sit over the top of that. So again, that 1/2 centimetre border. So I've just got layers basically. Right, let's scooch those out of the way. And can I access my scrap paper? No. Let me try and get it. Okay. I'm going to put that away and bring this onto my desk where you can see it. And what I want to do is stamp sort of swirling up the side. So those things first, quickly go around these. You can tell this is the first time I've used this stamp set. I love using brand new stamp sets. It's like a feeling of anticipation, isn't it? So I want those three. The three images I'm picking are that tiny little flower, that one and that one. And I'm just going to go up the sides. And I think, thank you kindly. That's that one. I don't know if I want to do this. Yeah, I might. Which way round is it going to stamp? I want that one. And okay, so they're ready for, so I've done that so that when I put my stamps back I know where they go. Right, blocks. Get a bunch of blocks out. That one and so a little one. I'm still unsure about that bigger one, but I'll get a bigger block out anyway. The reason I take them out and put them and then pick them up with a block is that you can, because they're photopolymer, there is the risk of bending them. So I dump them on my desktop so that they relax. Okay. No, see, look, I still got it the wrong way round. But I'm kind of, what I want to do is have a trail going up one side. So we'll see how it looks. And I've also, you know, I've always got the emergency reverse side. So let's stamp off the newness there. Okay, and then I want, so that was Cloud Cover. I pulled it too far, and then, oh, gorgeous. Definitely. What's it like stamped off? And I just want to scatter those. And the Balmy Blue is still gorgeous too. this one. I might come back in with that darker blue. Yeah. So we're just sort of swirling up the sides. And oh, I haven't. Did I get a greeting out? No, I didn't. I circled it. and didn't get it out. So, and then on a bit of scrap, again with this nice dark blue, I'm going to go down in the bottom corner. Oops. And then bravely chop. Just chopped it off like that, and I'm going to flag tail it. Just like that. And then because I've got Wink of Stella on my desk, I'm going to just this one. I'm just moving the ink about. Oopsie, I want to lift it up so you can see it. I've just moved the ink about so it's just tinted that, but I'm not going to do it for the rest. And this is just going to sit there, I think. I'm going to get a twist of linen thread, and I'm not going to stretch it out. And apparently eBay is going to let me know about something. I don't know, probably some old retired jelly cat. I'm going to leave the twists as they are. Or it could be something that my husband's looking at. We share an eBay account. Not for any reason other than we're both curious about what each other's looking at. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back just to hold that in place. It's going to go down there, and then I can start putting it all together. So that's going to sit on there. I don't need seal plus, I need seal. Oops, dropping stuff. And then some more on the back of here. Oops. And that can go on my card front. And then to finish it off, I have these lovely, very lovely hues of blue flowers. And, oh, okay. And I want these paler ones back here. Just, well, these are kind of mid-colour rather than pale. And that, I think, is a very simple and effective card. And, oh, let me turn the lights down because it's bleaching out the blues. But that, I think, is really simple and very lovely. What do you think? I think that's simple and easy and gorgeous. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Let's turn the lights back up. I hope to speak to you very soon. Don't forget, Delicate Wishes, and it's an online exclusive. Get it while you can. Bye.